what I can do, the phone I just told you. Send you the okay. Yes, send me that and
everyone.
Oh. Sorry.
This is Lisa Davis. We had an incident here. We had a story behind the story, so to speak, as we were trying to be a part of a documentary that these young filmmakers were making. And a very interesting news event began to happen as they tried to stop us from doing this in front of the King's statue and said that we couldn't record. But I had the chance, as always, to meet so many wonderful people with such strong stories. And I have to definitely bring attention to this sister right here, Naomi, who has been coming to the pop meetings, but she's been talking about an issue of something that happened with her son, who was killed by a bus, coach bus, I believe it was, and operating New Jersey Transit. And what year was he killed in again?
Wednesday, July the 18th, 2012.
Wednesday, July 18th, 2012. I got to let her tell her story somewhat, and as I bring attention to the dress that she designed. Okay. Oops, let me do this again. I can't see so clearly with the display. But this is such a powerful dress with a powerful statement. And if I can just maybe get up on a little bit closer, this dress is a dress made, a two-piece, made with graphics about people who have been killed by New Jersey Transit buses and coach buses. Go on, sister, please speak more.
Sure. Yes, my son got killed Wednesday, July the 18th, 2012, which was very hard. And I've been really fighting to get justice. I found out so many information. Coach USA, bus driver, the lawyers, they all wanted me to sign a gag order. They were preventing me to speak about what happened and the corruption. But I declined because I told them this is my constitutional right. I have a right, so I'm not going to sign it. So therefore I have the liberty to speak what I have now, what I'm going to tell you and I'm going to show you. You can go on my website. What I did, I put the video up there of the police corruption with the prosecutor, the lawyer, and transit coach bus driver. And you hear them collaboratively sitting here saying, the driver said, I saw the guy running, and you hear the lawyer saying, oh, you didn't see anybody, remember? And the prosecutor like, oh, you didn't do anything wrong. He didn't do anything wrong by killing my son. You can, again, you can go on my blog, Soulity, Soulity. Not only that, I didn't just put my son's information, I put everybody who got killed by Coach USA bus driver and New Jersey Transit bus driver. I got that all online. You can Google dangerous Coach USA bus driver or dangerous NA Transit bus driver. You can Google it and you'll find, I found out so many complaints on them that a lot of people complain, but it's not going anywhere. So what I did to honor and in memory of all these people, because no one else is doing it, remember all these people got killed by New Jersey Transit and Coach USA. So what I did on the clothing that I'm wearing, these not just articles of my son, these are articles of New Jersey Transit, when Coach USA ran into the bank in Orange. That's the picture right here, the article about that. And I also have article when it happened down the two buses downtown in Newark. I have pictures of that on. If it's not on here, I have like a 6 set. This is 6. Each the outfit had different articles on it, And back here, if you see with the police, the prosecutor, and the bus driver, that came from the video that I had did. Because when I talk about it online, the lawyer be saying, oh, I'm lying. And I said, oh, if I'm lying, so every time I put the information up, they told the lawyer, oh, tell her to stop. But if I'm lying, why are you telling me to stop? If it was my son's fault, you wouldn't ask me to stop. You'd be welcome to put all that up. On the video, they destroyed the tape on the bus. In the video, you hear the prosecutor, the lawyer asking the prosecutor if there's a video. He said, yes, Coach USA had it. The lawyer saying, oh, there's no video. We did a protest. And someone called my son's best friend mother and said there was a video. all of a sudden the video is not there. They destroy evidence. They destroy evidence. Again, I have it on my blog. I put the video transcript also on my blog, and you can read it for yourself. You know, if I didn't have this information, you would think I'm making it up. You know, you also can click the link where the people complaining about this bus driver who murdered my son. I also put that up. So,
and your son's name for the...
My son's name is Deshon Johnson, and he was a hip-hop artist. He went by Sean Kice Mason. If you like to listen to his music and keep his legacy alive, you may. And Naila is his clothing line that I had started in memory of him. I do fashion shows to raise awareness, you know, for not just my son, but all the others who like this bill. To let them know that the prosecutor let them know that this is not going to go down. You know, these people's lives, they were killed today, and it shouldn't happen. It needs to be justice, not just for my son, but for everyone who was killed.
Right, and you can clearly see that this mother is her pain that she has gone through. You can see how she just incorporates the justice, the call for justice. She makes everything in her life about justice, as she did with designing this shirt. With designing this outfit, which tells such a powerful, powerful, and compelling story.
Actually, I'm doing a photo shoot next week. One of the photographers like the clothing on Instagram, and he asked me to do a photo shoot. So I'm doing what I call, this is called a political fashion statement. So we are doing a photo shoot in New York at 10 o'clock a.m. I can't remember the location, but that's what we're doing.
Now let me ask you something, because you design clothing, correct? This is what you, if anybody's interested in getting in touch with you pertaining to your designs or to having something made, are they able to do that?
Yes, actually you can Google Naila collection or Naila fashion, and if you Google it, you'll see all the shows that I have done. You'll see actually where to go to buy the stuff. Actually, you can go to Naila Closet on Tracy, Naila NONEILLAH Closet space CLOSET space Tracy TRASDEY. But if you Google Naila sneakers or anything, you'll see Naila Closet on Tracy.
And your sneakers also are a political statement too, correct?
Yes.
Wow. Wow. Hopefully all the pain and the trauma that we continue to suffer, or that we continue to be affected by, hopefully we can find creative ways to become independent, to totally break from this system by utilizing our skills, by learning about who we are, by coming together as a community, as we should have been doing anyway. The answers lie within us. We are our own liberators. We always have been. From the revolutionary soldiers who took up arms in the Civil War to break this damn system of enslavement. We did that. We are never given credit for that, but we did that. We are our own liberators. And of course, anybody else who wants to stand up for justice, there's nothing stopping them. But we got answers within ourselves.
I'm sorry.
Yes, sister.
I asked people to come and join me, like people who lost their loved one from a Coach USA reckless bus driver or a dangerous bus driver. Ask them to join me so we can, grow alliance and fight together, not just by myself, fight together. Like on July the 18th when my son got killed on Broad and Bay. I always, every 18, I always have, I don't associate that my son is not gone in a memorial. I don't do that. I do in his honor,
Exactly.
Because for me, my son is my king. And he always will be my king. And July the 18th at 10:30, I always have a gathering for my son the day when he was killed in Bloomfield on Broad Bay. So anybody is welcome to come. If you know anybody whose loved one got killed by Coach USA and then they want answers, I can tell you to cover up. I'm living it. I have the evidence of the cover up with the prosecutor. So feel free to get in contact with me. You can actually email me at Stoality, SOULALITY @gmail. And I can let you know, you can go on my Facebook. I have a group page on Facebook by innocent people who was killed by reckless bus driver, and I always post the event of my son on July the 18th.
And I can certainly speak from my own personal experience dealing with New Jersey Transit when it was an issue of police brutality. I am learning about your son's case, so I can't speak to that just yet, but I can definitely speak to what happened with me with New Jersey Transit when I was wrongfully accused of stealing a fare, and how the conductor issued a false police report and all of that. New Jersey Transit, as well as the Attorney General's office, justified every corrupt thing they did. They said you can write up false police reports. People who work for the state are immune from prosecution. They said even if what I said was true, or I should say immune from liability, that they are the state. And I have all kinds of records and everything of the Attorney General's office for the state of New Jersey and the corrupt court system justifying everything, justifying lying in police reports, justifying lying in coroner's reports. They said that they were that anybody who worked for the state of New Jersey was not liable for any false information in any of their reports. And the Attorney General at that time was Deborah Porridge, told me that there was nothing unconstitutional with anybody who worked for the state calling somebody a liar, a mental case, or the word nigger. They put that in writing for my benefit, that there was nothing wrong with anybody calling somebody a nigger. So this was in the early 90s. So in terms of the corruption, the cover-up, I can certainly say yes, that goes on all the time.
Yeah, I mean, they had abused me. When I said I went through it, the judge, the lawyers, I wrote to the district attorney, the attorney general.
I'm going to turn this on you because
I wrote to everybody. They ignored me. I have certified letters. You know, I didn't just snail mail it. I certified it.
Okay.
You know, I certified to the district attorney general. They ignored me. I certified to different politicians. You know, no help. So I can concur and agree with you as far as the corruption. You know,
yes.
With the corruption, and the corruption is real and it's true. It's not anything made up. Like
Lisa.
Like Lisa said, from head to court and all the way down, they all corrupt.
Yep.
They all corrupt, and they make you look like you're the delusional one. You're the crazy one. You're the liar. I agree everything what you said about me.
But dear sister, we will definitely be in touch, and thank you so much, and thank you for support.